Hopefully I'm coming in clear. I'm pretty far up the hill here. Whoa. Where are you from, the Beast? Thanks for popping in. Whoa. Oh, Gus, come in. Gus, get over here. Gus, here. Stay. Gus. Stay. Hey. Oh, no, he's good.
She might bark, but she's not going to do anything beyond that.
Hey, this is Gus. It's okay, Gus. How's your hike so far?
Oh, it's good. Are you
good? And I'm Kyle. Yeah. We're just doing a little live, yeah. We went up and had some lunch at the top on the little trail up there. It's beautiful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Perfect day.
Yeah. Cool.